how to create your own QR codes on a mobile phone or on a laptop. So we do this if we're looking for new ways to replace old business cards. We can also let clients or customers check into venues. We could use this as a means to collect and share customers' information. And I noticed recently that a lot of bars and restaurants are now using QR codes to provide contactless menus. So really the possibilities are really endless, and it's clear QR codes have made a big comeback during this pandemic. So rather than typing in email addresses, websites, URLs, or even mobile numbers manually, you can simply scan the QR code or the camera of a mobile phone to access, information instantly. Or alternatively, you could also link to an online portfolio if you want to get really fancy.
I will help you create a QR code in 3 simple steps. So open a web browser and head to this website, www.fastqrcode.com. Hit enter. And it says it all here. Create your QR code in 3 steps. Step 1, we need to choose a QR code type from the various options provided. So in this demonstration, we are going to plan an event. So you select event. Step 2 would just be entering your details for that event. So for this, let's just say we are planning a house party of some sort. Location, just put in a fake address for now, 00 Elizabeth Avenue, Staines, and the postcode, let's go for TW181JJ. We need to set a time and date for this event as well. We go for Saturday. Should be a late house party, so we could go for 10 o'clock and finish the next day at 10 o'clock, and apply these settings. Straight away, we now have this QR code to the right of the screen. So step 3 is just adding or customizing the QR code. We could apply settings as changing the style, the color of it, and the layout. But for this demonstration, let's just go with the solid black and just keep the same layout. So that's step 3. QR code is now complete. We just download as image. All downloaded. Just double click that to open the QR code. And there we go. Now we can do things to this QR code. Obviously it's quite large, so we could resize the QR code. For this, let's just define the custom dimensions for this. Maintain aspect ratio and set the pixels to, let's just go for 115. Save resized copy. Just save it to the desktop. That's all done. Just minimize this, double click the QR code, and there you go. That's the QR code we just created in 3 simple steps. In the next step, I'm just going to test out this QR code to see if indeed it worked. So I'm currently on my phone and I am going to just quickly test out that QR code, which was set up a few minutes ago. Head to the QR code and barcode scanner that I just downloaded from the App Store, and open it up, scan the barcode, and there you go. We have all the information that was set up a few minutes ago. And for this, I have options such as adding it to my calendar or Outlook, or I can also share the same QR code with my contacts on WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, and what have you. So it did work.